In previous part we have learned about JavaScript, but that was introduction. Now we are moving towards second part. So hello friends and assalamu alaikum. My name is Inshal Beg and I am from IB All Designing Developer. So now we are moving towards second part of the tutorial of JavaScript. Like I've told you, we'll be covering a JavaScript series. Now this is the part second of JavaScript series which we are covering, and now we'll be covering what is JavaScript. Like what is JavaScript, how to use that, where we can use, and how we can make websites and everything using JavaScript. So first of all, we will be learning is JavaScript is a scripting language. So JavaScript is a scripting language because you can see it is having the full name of JavaScript, and in the end we are getting the name script. So script means this is a scripting language, but you have to just make sure that JavaScript does not include any scripting language like Java or C++ or C Sharp like languages, because it is only one language, JavaScript. It is having many of the frameworks like React, JS, React, Next.js, many others. But we use JavaScript only to create or to work in browsers. We can use two different type of frameworks to work with JavaScript. One is you can say not two different type of frameworks, but two different type of coding languages to work with JavaScript mostly. You can use HTML to work with its interface, means if you want to just not to design the interface, just write things in the interface using tags, so you can just use HTML to write tags in JavaScript. But if you want to design that interface, make it good looking, beautiful looking, so you can use CSS in that to design the interface. So then after that, JavaScript will be good language, and JavaScript can be used in browser using V8 language. You can also use JavaScript as a Node.js language. JavaScript is also called Node.js because JavaScript Node.js is not having too much difference in both. So because of that, these two languages are not too much different from each other. Remember one thing, like people mostly do one thing, that they compare JavaScript with Java. So remember one thing, JavaScript is a different language and Java is a different language. In Java, we learn about Android, means how to build mobile apps like these things. But in JavaScript, we learn about browser and we create our own websites. Like you can create normally website, one page website, multi-pages websites, personal portfolios or anything like that. And you can also use HTML, CSS to design that all things. There are, like I've telling you, many of the frameworks also, so you can use them also to design this amazing portfolios or websites. JavaScript is a really good language, and JavaScript is also having an official name which was previously on, and it is ECMAScript. So JavaScript is having an official name of ECMAScript, which we are, if you are working JavaScript from since a long time, so you all know that what is JavaScript and what was the name, means official name of JavaScript. So it was ECMAScript, like I'm telling you. And you can say JavaScript like ECMAScript can be used in different and various works. Like you can use it in Google, you can use building clones, like if you are building clones like Google clones or many clones using React like languages, so you can use JavaScript with that. JavaScript put major role to build Google, because you can see when you search anything using Google, so it is through JavaScript, because JavaScript having a beautiful and you can say strong V8 server which helps Google to run its official website. So that was the thing which I want to tell you about JavaScript, and that was some of the basic of JavaScript. And now in this tutorial we have covered up, and in this tutorial part we have covered up what is JavaScript. So now we'll be now meeting in next part, in the third part. So just remember to like this video, share this, also subscribe on my channel and hit notification bell, from which you will be notified with all the videos. So I'll be meeting in next video. So for today, goodbye.